Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve problem number 168, Excel sheet column title on LeetCode. So what this problem states is quite simple. Given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. So we need to first see that how the column numbers are mapped in an Excel sheet. So A is mapped to 1, B is mapped to 3, C is mapped to 3, and similarly Y is mapped to 25 and Z is mapped to 26. Then when we see 27, it's mapped to AA. So what we observe in this number system is that there are no zeros. So this is the main point to see here, that there are no zeros. What we naturally have in a number system is 0 should be mapped to A, 1 to B, and similarly 24 to Y and 25 to Z. But what happens here is our number system starts from 1. So that's the thing we need to notice. And now let's see examples. So similarly, you can see the example. 1 is mapped to A and 28 is mapped to AB. 701 is mapped to ZY. How can we solve this problem? So what we normally do in a number system, we simply divide by the base of the number system. For example, if here we are given 1, we would have divided it by 26, and the remainder is our answer, going from bottom to top, like we do binary to decimal conversions and decimal to binary conversions. Similarly, we have to do here also. We have to convert base 10 number to the base of 26. But what's unique in this is that there is no zeros, so we need to take care of that, and it will be more clear when we see the next example how we change this to this. So when there is 26 divided by 26, the 1 is quotient and our remainder here is 2. Then again remainder here is 1. So till now you might be thinking, okay, there is no problem. If there are no zeros, we can simply map this to B and this to A. And similarly here also we can map this to A. But the problem occurs when the number is 701. When you try to divide it by 26, the quotient is 26 and the remainder is 25. Here also if we follow the above convention, we can map it to Y, no problem. But what happens next? See this. When we try to divide this, we get 1 as quotient and 0 as the remainder. But in our number system, there is no concept of zeros. So which number will map this to? So this is the where problem lies. And if we do it again, so our result will be A something and Y. So how can we recover from this problem? So to recover from this problem, what we do is at each step we first subtract -1 from here, then -1 from here, and similarly and so on. So in each step we try to subtract -1, and rest of the procedure is similar to normal conversions from decimal to binary or decimal to base 26. So what we can do, let's take this example over here. When the number is 701, what we do is first subtract -1. Number becomes 700, and then we divide it by 26. Now the quotient will remain same, but our remainder will become 24, and this we can simply, and we can now follow the above convention, 0 to A, 1 to B, and so on. So now our 24 will be mapped to Y, and as we are subtracting -1 in every step, So we subtract minus 1 and we get 25 as quotient. Then we again divide by 26 and our quotient is 0 and our remainder is 25, which is nothing but z. So now we can see that we are getting our right answer. The code is very simple. Now let's move to the code. So how can we code it? So as seen previously, what we need is an string answer to store the answers. We will initialize it with empty string. Next we will loop while column number is greater than 0. And at each step we need to subtract minus 1. So we will do minus minus. Now what we need to find the character. We need to find the character that should be added in the end of the string. So you can say char ch. What will it be? It will be a plus, as you can see here, it's the remainder when divided by 26. So column number modulus 26. So that's it. Now we need to edit in our answer plus equals ch, and also we need to divide the column number by 26 for the next step. But we observe that we are adding numbers from top to bottom here. First we add y, then we add z. So our final answer should be in reversed order. So we simply need to reverse it and sort out begin and sort out, and it's a property of the string class. And we will try to return the answer. Let's see if it runs. So sample test cases are passed. Now let's try to submit it. So it's submitting well. So what will be the time complexity of this? As we can see, we are dividing by 26 at each step. So the total time complexity will be column number log 26 or log column number to the base 26. And what is the space complexity? The space complexity will also be the same because the length of the string will be same as the number of times this while loop runs. And the time complexity for reversing is linear. So there's that. Thank you and see you in the next video.